Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how you can join a class on Google Classroom. Friends, Google Classroom is a product of Google where teachers and students can easily attend classes. For example, like V.I Tech Academy is an academy, right? So here we can provide assignments to our students and our students can easily submit the assignments. You can consider it's a LMS, not properly LMS, but it's a like assignments things, like whatever you are doing in the classroom you can do all the things. It's an online classroom. You can connect it with Google Meet, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, etc. So there are two parts in the sense of from the teacher's point of view and from the student's point of view. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can join a class as a student. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy, and if you want to support us, you can join us as a member, and if you join us as a member you will get additional benefits. Click on the join button to learn more. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. So guys, when your teacher will invite you to join a class, you will receive one email like this.
Unread Academy Services C. Class invitation. Getting started with Reaper using Screen Reader 1.
So getting started with Reaper, this is a class name and you get this invitation mail. Just open this email.
Conversation opened. One unread message.
And now just go to the mail body.
List 12 checkbox not checked button at to me. Menu graphic classroom academy service trainings.vita@mail.com.
So you will receive this email from Google Classroom.
Invited you to join. Get link join class.
So here you will find a link called join class. See,
and link join class.
just press enter here.
Untitled Google Chrome.
And it will take you to the Google Classroom.
Classroom Google Chrome Classroom button collapse Google Apps
Now
clickable button heading level 1 join class.
Join class.
You've been invited to join head button collapse Google account Rattle Basak Pro at mail.
So here this is one of my test email ID. Please do not send any email to this because you will not get any reply.
Heading level 1 join class.
Join class.
You've been invited to join Rattle Basak link switch account. Rattle Basak you've been invited to join getting started with Reaper using Screen Reader. Here's Rattle Bat link switch account button join.
So just click on join button and you will be able to join the class. Okay. I'm just pressing enter here.
Stream document blank stream main landmark get.
Now when you join this class you will have this interface where you will have some options.
Post. Create posts. Share information and questions with your class. Button got it.
Okay, just
button
click on got it.
Link skip to navigate head button collapse Google button navigation land out of menu navigation land button collapse Google Apps heading button collapse Google account Rattle Basak Pro at mail menu item separator menu item expanded enrolled.
Enrolled.
Enrolled grouping menu item to do. Menu item getting started with Reaper using Screen Route of grouping separator. Menu item archived classes.
Okay, archived classes.
Menu item settings. Out of menu navigation
Settings.
landmark list with 3 items visited link stream selected link classwork.
Okay, so see,
visited link
stream is
selected.
selected. So in stream you can post your questions and other things so people can answer. You can communicate with others.
Link people link classwork.
So
list with 3 items link people.
People
out of list link Google Calendar.
Google
visited
Calendar,
link class
so
drive
all of
heading
these
level 1
things
getting
you will
started
get.
with Reaper using Screen
Right?
Reader 1. Button collapsed view class information.
View class information.
But 1 heading link list link classwork visited link stream out of list navigate out of menu navigate link
So
classwork.
if you just go to the classwork, you can visit all of the
clickable but track your
assignments.
progress button close.
Okay, see.
Track your progress.
Track your progress.
See a list of your work and its
So list of
button
work
got
is
it.
current,
Button
got
got
it.
it.
Okay, just
Button
got
classwork.
it. So under classwork, you will find all of your assignments, whatever assignments are
Out of
given,
region, no
whatever announcements are given.
main
See.
landmark no assignments yet. Lucky you.
No,
Actions region
no
link view your work.
assignments yet.
Out of region classwork for getting started main landmark no.
Okay, so once you will get the assignment, you can see all of your assignments here. For our students, we will post assignments here, so our students can also see the assignments here. So for students, this is how you can join the classroom using the email invitation. If you receive only the link, one link you will receive from your teacher, so that link should work. I mean, you just need to click on that link and you will have one class code, secret code. So enter that class code to the Google Classroom and you will be able to join the class also. So this is how you can easily join any class using Google Classroom with your NVIDIA screen reader. If you find this content useful, do like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to let us know on which topic you want more videos into the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye.